You're going to want to pay attention to this one before it's gone. A 70 Chevelle factory red on red 454 air conditioning with a 4-speed. That's the ultimate. That's what everybody wants. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com to get the pricing and all the specs on this car and a few hundred other fantastic collector cars. On there you will also find financing, shipping. We can put a car anywhere in the world, and there's plenty of ways to contact us. I have a staff here that are willing and able to help you get your dream car. So whatever questions, concerns you have as far as how to pay or shipping or questions about the car, let us know. This is what we can do. This is what we do, and we can help you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting out fantastic cars, a few a day. That's the best way to stay in touch. Let's take this bad boy for a spin. I was built in Texas and lived in Tennessee. It's a clean, solid car. When you go to our website and you look underneath, it's all done in the red oxide primer on the floors. The frame is black. The chassis and suspension is all done. Everything under the car appears like new. The transmission, the exhaust, it's all clean, beautiful underside. The body is really slick. You can see it's a bright red glossy paint job. The SS wheels are restored, nice BF Goodrich tires, painted on stripes, you don't hardly feel them. Bumper with the pad, the cowbell tips. Trunk compartment doesn't have a lick of rust in there, it's all clean and spatter painted. We just put a fresh coat in there. We have the jack, the spare, and the mat is in the trunk right now. The glass has been tinted, and it all fits really nice. How nice everything lines up. The interior is very nicely restored. Door jambs are nice, weather strips are nice, but it's got new carpet, new upholstery, new door panels. The dash area is restored, new deluxe steering wheel. It has the tachometer with the gauge cluster. They did not include an oil pressure gauge, so there is one in the glove box. It's got a correct 4-speed on the floor for a bench seat. Bench seat is nice, so you can sit close to your sweetheart. Under the hood is clean. We'll fire it up here in a minute. It's got an Edelbrock intake and carb with electric choke. Everything is tidy. The air conditioning has been updated to R134 Freon. It's got the fan and the shroud and the washer bottle and the cadmium plated brake booster. They're very tidy under there. Looks like they're ceramic coated hinges. Windshield looks new. In the glove box, I found this packet with owner's manual. I thought I struck gold with a Protecto plate, but this is actually for a different car. But there is still original literature in here that is just fun to put on the dash at a car show. Also a bunch of miscellaneous receipts going back to the previous owners. Has a retro stereo in the dash. I was up under here with my flashlight a minute ago. These are original quarter panels on both sides. The seams are original. I looked all up in there. I couldn't find anywhere where it had been cut. Did have a vinyl top, which they removed, which I thank them for that. I think it looks much nicer without it. Let's fire this one up. Very nice dash area. It's all new, actually. Got new heater controls. Find the right key here. It's got quartz movement in the clock. The mirror is new. Overhead light works. Visors, headliner, all in excellent shape. The vents look like they're new. There you have it. So that was a factory-born, red on red, 70 Chevelle with all the right stuff. Good, clean metal, all done up underneath. Car's ready for show and go, as they say. 70 Chevelles have been going out the door as quick as they come in the door. It's the only one I have right now. You better jump on it if you're looking for one. Go to volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We keep cranking out some awesome cars. Thank you, and stay tuned.